Alright guys, so today we're going to be installing these on the GX. Well visors. Yes. Cool. Brittany's going to be the one helping me. So, let's get going. Hey everyone, so we got the well visors in, as you can see. Hold on, let me get this real quick. Bam. I already put the other side on because I was trying to figure out how I was going to put them on, but I figured it out already. It's so simple. First, we're going to mock them up. So we can put the tabs on first, and then once we put the tabs on, we're going to wipe down this part right here, clean them. They have the package comes with alcohol wipes, so we're gonna just clean them real quick, make sure they're nice and clean so the double-sided tape sticks on. And yeah, mock them up first, put the tabs in, clean them, and then stick them on. Super simple. Let's get going. So this kit comes with two different type of tabs. It comes with these two, and then this one. This one's the one closest to the mirror, and these are the ones on the normal glass side right here. All right. So all you got to do to put these on, this way. There's a curve. The curve goes outward. All you got to do, just and bam. That's it. That's simple. This, boom, and then they move, so when you put the visor on, you could adjust them to where they need to be. This one goes in here, like so. It goes this way. Bam. Here. Right. The kit also comes with these little fuzzy thingamabobs, and I'm assuming that these go here. It's like perfect fit, so I was just assuming that they go right there. So take off the double-sided tape from both sides. Go from this side first. Bam. Bam. And now I'm putting the fuzzy side down onto the tape so that this sticks on to the car.
Fill in the gap.
Yeah, basically filling in the gap. You see how it goes? Fill in the gap. Alright. Then take this off. Cool. Alright. Don't take the whole plastic strip off because you're going to take it off. That's why it's overlapping. So that when you press it, then you pull it off. Alright. Let's mock this up. And the pack comes with these 3 different clip thingamabobs. This one's basically the sleeve that goes inside. This is basically the part that goes underneath, like so. And then this one goes in here on the outside and then basically locks it in. It spreads these things out and then locks it in, clips it in place. So real quick, alright, that, put this in like this. Trying to show you as best as I can. Press it, and that's it. It's locked in place. And you're basically gonna do the same thing for all the clips. The back ones are the same process. Mock them up, take off the tape. Well, mock them up, put the tabs in, the little brackets. Clean it, make sure it's clean. Use the alcohol wipes they provide. Put the tabs in. And then put everything together. Simple. Alright, y'all. If you guys want to see more on my build, just leave a comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.